Hi everyone, Steve Buchanan here, and welcome to my course, WordPress Getting Started. I'm a cloud and DevOps architect. This course will take you from little to no knowledge of WordPress to a place where you can be confident enough to get started with it. In this course, you will learn about WordPress's uses, features, tech stack, and how to get it installed, as well as perform its general configuration. Some of the major topics that we will cover include core WordPress knowledge about its tech stack, such as web servers like Apache, languages like PHP, and databases like MySQL, as well as how these work with WordPress, how to acquire a domain and hosting for WordPress, and finally, how to install and configure WordPress. By the end of this course, you will have a better understanding about content management systems and WordPress itself, its uses, features, tech stack, as well as knowledge on how to get a domain for it, hosting and install WordPress, along with a tour of its interface and general config. Before beginning this course, you should have general knowledge of web technologies, PHP, web development, and content management systems. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about the #1 content management system in this WordPress Getting Started course at Pluralsight.